My name is Emil Blanco. I am 43 years old and live in South Córdoba, Colombia. My family Aniserpa Santiago and Sebastián Blanco. I am a student of Business Administration, South Córdoba. The company Químicos de la Costa is duty tasking was in the water draining system. These water are used by the surrounding pasture and may animal benefit, hunting their life and that of the company of rights. The authorization in charge of verifying the pollutant process are the Minister of the Environment of the Environment Secretary. But I am very respectful and asking you to solve this problem. It should be carefully done in the do not take the necessary correction and will be obliged to go through the legal part. Soil contamination is consequent or usually have various agriculture practice and inappropriate method of any place like was in the solid waste. Consequence, the soil is increasing contamination with chemical that can raise the food chain, sulfide, and groundwater, and lastly, be invested by man. There are solutions for the municipal waste, which include reduction, reuse, and recycling of the soil where in the generation. Takes impact to environment in a passenger Y and B developing institution capacity and mechanism to promote substance management of natural and energy resource. Thank you.